Module 1. Internet Foundations. What are Internet protocols?
When you use the internet, your device isn't just sending data randomly. Everything follows rules that computers all over the world agree on. These rules are called Internet protocols. In this lesson, we'll learn about Internet protocols, the basic rules that allow computers to talk to each other. Every time you send a message, load a website, or watch a video, these rules quietly work in the background to make sure your data reaches the right place. Think of Internet protocols as traffic rules for data.
Getting data to the right place.
IP, Internet Protocol. IP is the addressing system of the Internet. It defines how devices are identified and how data packets are routed to the correct destination. Just like writing the correct address on a letter, IP ensures your data knows exactly where to go. DNS, Domain Name System. DNS translates human-friendly names like google.com into IP addresses that computers understand. Without DNS, you'd have to remember numbers instead of website names. DNS is how humans refer to internet addresses.
Making sure data arrives correctly.
TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is the reliable courier of the internet. It makes sure every piece of data reaches its destination safely and in the correct order. If any packets are missing along the way, TCP requests them again. User Datagram Protocol. UDP is the speed-focused courier. It sends data without checking whether every packet arrives. This makes it faster than TCP, which is why UDP is commonly used for games, video calls, and live streams.
What the data is actually about.
HTTP/HTTPS. How websites talk. When you open a website, your browser uses HTTP or HTTPS. This protocol defines how web pages are requested and delivered. HTTPS is the secure version. It encrypts the data so no one else can read it. FTP, the file mover. FTP is one of the earliest protocols designed for moving files between computers. It is used to upload or download files from servers, especially large files. Different protocols solve different problems at different layers. No single protocol does everything. Each one has a specific job, and they stack on top of each other. In the next lesson, we'll take a step back and look at the big picture. We'll learn about the OSI model, a simple framework that organizes how networking works into clear layers. The OSI model helps us understand where each protocol fits, what happens at each stage, and how engineers debug network problems when something goes wrong. Think of it as a map of the Internet's layers, a way to see how everything we've learned so far fits together.